So welcome everybody back again on an auto show. So we are right away in the Big Apple. We are in New York, downtown Manhattan, in a pre-way evening event. Meet Mercedes-AMG. It's in the dealership of Mercedes-Benz in Manhattan, downtown. Tomorrow the New York Auto Show, the New York International Auto Show is gonna be open. So this is kind of a preview what we're gonna bring tomorrow. C63 facelift. As you can see, facelift. We introduced the AMG signature grille right away in the front here. We worked a little bit on aerodynamic features in the front, as you can see as well. We still use the 4-liter V8 engine in that car, well known. Same horsepower, same power output than before, but we introduced the 9-speed MCT transmission of AMG in that car. We're faster in shifting, downshift, upshift. Different experience now with that car, and it's great. As well, we changed something on the rear. So a little bit, as you can see, we worked a little bit on aero. We have new tailpipes, we have new exhaust pipes at the rear end, and we did some refinement regarding the driving dynamics. We did some refinement regarding the suspension, and the car is a little bit better in comfort than before, but it is faster on the racetrack as well. So it's the V8, and the car with the new exterior, it looks more muscular than ever before. So the car, that's our muscular V8 icon, rear-wheel driven. And we have a huge fan community for that car, and I promise you, that's the best C63 ever. So let's have a close look to the interior. So still the same interior as you know, with the yellow stitching, like we have, maybe you recognize it, we have a new color. Matte black fits perfect to that car. And in the interior we have what you can get, the yellow stitching, the yellow stripes, and we have a new steering wheel. The steering wheel what we brought just in Geneva with our Photo GT. So we have here, and we have the AMG display button here. So here you can change the drive program to race from comfort, and here you can change suspension or exhaust, and you change the functionality as well. You can here then bring it to manual in the gearbox, or you can stop start. You can change ESP, sport. Yeah, engine should be on. So that's all about the new AMG C63 facelift. Have a close look to the car and test drive it if you do have the opportunity. That's almost everything from my side. Take care and see you soon. Thank you.